Alright, this is going here with Germany, turn 3, part 2, the Vichy. So we're going to start off here because I did actually remembered I did not place yet. I'm going to go ahead and place the German units. Actually, no, that comes after. So I'll leave that for the moment. So, we're going to roll. So it says to start rolling for the French Navy first. There are no French naval units in port, so the first one does not count. But I got to roll for every other unit that is French. So we're going to start with the lowest valued unit. We'll actually start with the transport since they have the lowest combat value. So let's start with the transport in M8. We're going to roll one die. And the result is a 6. 6 is scuttled. So we'll go ahead and remove that. Dead. Now the transport in M1. Gonna roll that. That's a 1. So 1 through 3 joins the Allies and becomes Free French. So that is a Free French transport there. Let's go ahead and put a French marker because I don't have any free. I have very few Free French models at the moment. I'm not the richest man in the world, so. Oh shit, that wasn't supposed to move. So next we're gonna go ahead and roll for this torpedo boat here in A46. We got another 6, so that's scuttled. Next, let's roll for the destroyers. So we have one destroyer, and let's actually do the subs next because they have the lowest value. So there is a sub up here in M7, A7. I mean, A7. We're gonna roll for that. It's a 4. That is scuttled. So A7 submarine for France is scuttled. Let's go ahead with these up here in I7. So I'm gonna roll 2 dice because it doesn't matter that much. 2 dice, 2 subs in the same zone. So we got a 2 and a 6. So one goes Free French. Yep, and the other one is scuttled. So remove and add. There you go, French. Next, we're gonna roll for the last submarine in I-12. We got a 12. That is joins the Axis, and it is in the Indian Ocean, so it goes Japanese. So we got a Japanese sub down here. I'll grab a mold for that. Actually, you know what? There's subs over there. Come on. Why can't I have stuff where I need it? Okay. Consolidate some subs up here, and this is now a Japanese sub in I-12. Goody goody. Go Axis. Next, let's roll the destroyers. So we have one destroyer in A48. That's 6, so that's scuttled. Go ahead and remove that. And then we got one light cruiser in A48. It's a 4, scuttled. Then we have the destroyer in A35. Another 7, so that is scuttled. Damn, a lot of scuttles. Got an A28 destroyer. Go ahead and grab another die, see if we can't change it up a bit. 12. A28, we got a German destroyer. I should have a mold right here. There it is. So, got a German destroyer in A28. I'm going to have that go ahead and move in A11 in port here. Next, we're going to have 2 French battleships in A21. So that should be pretty decisive here. We got, that's a 1 and a 6. So 1 free French battleship. And then the other one's scuttled. There. And do I actually have, I think I actually did paint a free French battleship. Goodness. Glad I was prepared for that one. So got myself a nice light blue battleship here. Pretty Dunkirk. Alright. In that case, we have, that is the units there. So we're going to go ahead and start rolling for territories. Oh, ships on the build queue. That's right. Okay. Glad I read that. Alright, so we've got 1 heavy cruiser and 1 battleship. So we're going to start rolling for the heavy cruiser. 6. That's scuttled. Okay, and then the battleship. 11. And that goes German. Sweet. I can live with that result. So got 2 German battleships in the build queue. What do you know? Yeah, this is goody goody. Alright. And like Vichy got no ships at all. How unfortunate. So, territories. So we're gonna start with the we're gonna go ahead and start with the grouped territories. So Annam, Tonkin, Cochinchina, Gambier, and New Caledonia. So those we got over here in the Pacific. So I already have a die here for that. Have not rolled it yet. So let's shake it up real good, remove the old die, and see what the result is. 7. 7 through 12 becomes Vichy. But because these are, it has a special Annam, Tonkin, Cochinchina, Gambier, and New Caledonia become Japanese if rolled 7 through 12. So those are now Japanese territories. I will throw some Japanese rondels in a minute. So these went Japan. Next grouping, we have French Somaliland, Madagascar, and Réunion. Got a die here for that as well. So let's roll for those. It's a 5, so it goes free French. So throw some free French rondels here. 1, 2, and got 1 more here. Don't have that many rondels, so I'm going to have to use paper in some of these scenarios. And since that's a small territory, I'm not going to use my big rondels here. Next, we have, what's the next grouping? Northern, Western, and Southern Algeria. So that's this here. Let's shake that real good. Throw it. Also free French. So that, and that. So we got a free French aircraft there, medium bomber. Now we have our last 2, Marijuana, French Guinea, French Sudan, and Ivory Coast. So got these here. Let's die here. Let's shake it. Ooh, got a fun spinner there. Wow, I really put a spin on that. Still going. Holy shit, man. I think it's coming to a stop now. 4, free French. Goodness. So that, and Ivory Coast. So those are all free French. And then we have Dahomey, Niger, Chad, Cameroon, and Ubangi Chari. So got another die there. And let's chuck it. It's a 2, free French. Holy crap. That's not cool results. Okay, so these all went free French. Goodness. Okay. So I think we only have like, we've got French, Morocco, Tunisia, and Syria to roll for. That should be it. I don't see any other French sounds. That's that. So French, Morocco. 7, Vichy. So I don't have Vichy roll down, so I just leave it French. So that's how you know it's Vichy. Just in case, somebody's wondering. So Tunisia next. 9, Vichy. And then Syria. Free French. Dang it. I got another free French rondo here. So that's free French, and units there are free French. So that's the rolls. We're going to go ahead and place. So we got the mountain infantry being lend-leased to nationalist Spain here, going down through Italy and then coming out through there. Unless I can't do that, in which case I think I can do that. If not, and I can't do that, then I'll buy the thing for myself. But anyway, we got 5 infantry going to be placed in eastern Germany, and 1 militia will be placed in Bohemia, 1 militia in eastern Germany. And that should be it. So that is the German turn 3.